back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So today, as you can see from the title down below, we are going to be unboxing the August 2019 My Fashion Crate. So this is always one of my favorite subscriptions to unbox because it's always just so fun. It's always got a great variety of options or products, including clothing and accessories and sometimes makeup, or it's just loaded. It's fantastic. So a little bit about it. They do have 3 different plans, which I think is awesome. So they kind of can tailor it to fit anyone's budget. So they have their accessories plan, which is only $20 a month, and you receive 2 to 3 items, and that could be jewelry or accessories. And then they have their essential box, which is $35, where you receive 3 to 4 items. Again, that could be jewelry or accessories, but you could also then start having a clothing item or something included as well. And then the premium box, which is the one that I have here, you receive 5 to 8 items for $49.95. And that again is a combination of jewelry, accessories, clothing, and the clothing could be tops, dresses, you know, all kinds of stuff. So again, we have a $20 accessory, we have a $35 essential, and then the $49.95 premium. So I will put a link down below if you'd like to check them out. Again, I think this is always such a fun box or bag to open. Everything is always so cute. So let's get in here and see what I got for August. Again, I do want to say thank you so much to My Fashion Crate. I do greatly appreciate you sending this to me to review. So let's dive in and see what we have. I do want to remind you guys about the 4,000 subscriber giveaway. It is ending on the 15th, so just around the corner. So make sure if you have not already, you definitely go sign up for that. And if you're new, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. All right, so we have our card right here. So let's just pull everything out. All right. So, oh, I see some cute stuff already. Okay, I'm excited. All right, so the first thing I see is a pair of earrings, and these are super cute, and I do not have any like this, so I'm so excited. These are the boho ivory tassel earrings. These beautifully boho earrings are made for summer nights with friends. You can easily rock this romantic look with a sweet dress and wedges, or keep it classic with a little black dress and heels, valued at $24. And tassels are so in right now. These are just so cute. Like, I really like these so much. Just adorable. So we have a pair of earrings, great start. All right, then we have, what is this? This is a wallet. From May Couture, luxurious May wallet, May Couture. It's in a box, super cute. Luxurious chevron stitch wallet with a gold logo snap button. This wallet is designed to fit your makeup or skincare papers. There are 4 slots to hold credit cards and ID. There is also a side compartment that can hold business cards and cash. This is a $28 value. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. Super cute. Pretty. I like this is like this is a simple wallet, so if you just need something for date night to throw into like a clutch, you have that with this wallet for sure. So I really like that. All right, so then let me find this. Y'all, it has, oh my gosh, I'm excited. I'm so excited. Okay. So this is a cosmetic bag. And I mean, really, you could use these bags for whatever you need to, but I am so excited because of the saying on this bag. And it does have where you can put like a little thing here. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and do that. So you have the little strap, but you guys, it has one of my absolute favorite sayings on it, which is be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and stay sweet on the inside. Oh my gosh, it's on both sides. So you can see it's got the lining inside there. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I think this is like just super, super cute. Oh, maybe I was actually supposed to put the clip here. So let's do that. So that is so adorable. I'm so excited. Ah! Okay. All right. And then it looks like we've got 2 shirts. So let's take a look. I absolutely always love this. You can already tell by the feeling of this. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. Okay. Chic shade, I can't read. Chic sage blouse. This beautiful sage blouse is, and I mean, you can see it's like, it gathers down here, like, and it's gonna be like a crisscross. You can see that. So cute. It's such an effortlessly chic style for any summer day. We love the vibrant color and the lightweight material is perfect. It's so easy to wear this with skirts or white jeggings for a gorgeous summertime style. Values $38. This is absolutely beautiful, I think, and it is so, I mean, it's almost like sheer. You definitely will probably need a cami under this, but I just think the bottom, it's hard to show you guys. The way it gathers down here at the bottom, this is not showing you good. Let's see, get it. Get it together. Do I even have that right? I don't even have this right. There we go. All right, so you can kind of see here how it gathers at the bottom. Because it's definitely something you would need a cami under, so it's kind of sheer and everything, but this is like how it gathers. It's so cute. That is adorable. I love that. All right, and then we have another top. And this is their pink romantic top. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is so cute. This beautifully romantic top is sure to spice up any summer outfit. This darling look features a light pink color paired with the cutest ruffled bell sleeves for a dramatic twist. I get it $38. And that's what I just noticed. Look at the sleeves, you guys. That is so cute. And then it's got, okay, so this is the shirt. And you can see here at the bottom, I'll pull it up. It's got, am I pulling it up correctly? The white little ruffle down there. But then you guys, like I said, you see the sleeve here, how adorable. Look at the back of this shirt. Like, how stinking adorable is that? This is probably like the cutest shirt ever. And this is definitely something, even though it is the light pink and they talk about, you know, summer, this is definitely something that could transition into fall, just because the material here is like, it's definitely, does it say? It doesn't say. But it's cotton, but then you have this that's kind of lightweight. So, oh my gosh, I love this so much. So beautiful. Okay, so we had the cosmetic bag, my favorite quote on it, amazing. We have the little wallet, this gorgeous pink top with this back is absolutely amazing. I love that so much. I dropped some stuff. Then we have this super cute sage green blouse that is just adorable. And then these super adorable like boho tassel earrings that are absolutely gorgeous, and I think especially with that pink top are going to be beautiful, or the green top, or any top. These are so beautiful. So yeah, y'all, that was the August 2019 My Fashion Crate. I would have to say that this, for real, y'all, is probably like my favorite month ever with My Fashion Crate. Both of the tops are adorable. I can't get over that pink one. The earrings, the makeup pouch here, my favorite saying, this cute wallet. You can just, like I said, throw it in like a little clutch for date night. So amazing. I love this so much. So I will put a link down below. Definitely go check them out. Like I said, they do have the 3 different tiers, so kind of any budget, but oh, this is just amazing. So let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And again, please do remember to give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. And I hope that you, again, are having a wonderful day. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.